In the heart of Europe, a pivotal meeting unfolds. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Trade Representative Jameson Greer convene with China's Vice Premier He Lifeng in Geneva. Their mission to navigate the treacherous waters of a trade war that has escalated to unprecedented levels. Since early 2025, the US and China have been locked in a tit-for-tat tariff battle. The US imposed tariffs up to 145% on Chinese goods, citing national security concerns and the fentanyl crisis. China responded with 125% tariffs on American products, including agricultural goods and rare earth minerals. Amidst mounting economic pressures, both nations agree to high-level talks in Geneva. Bessent and Greer represent the US, aiming to address trade imbalances and intellectual property concerns. Vice Premier He Lifeng leads the Chinese delegation, seeking relief from the crippling tariffs affecting China's economy. The trade war's ripple effects are felt worldwide. US companies report significant losses, with Ford estimating a $1.5 billion hit. Consumers face rising prices and global markets experience volatility. China's economy shows signs of strain, prompting stimulus measures to counteract the downturn. Beyond economics, the trade dispute exacerbates geopolitical tensions. Accusations fly over technology theft, human rights issues, and military posturing in the South China Sea. Allies and adversaries alike watch closely, understanding that the outcome of these talks could reshape global alliances. While the Geneva talks mark a step towards dialogue, the path to resolution remains fraught. Both sides express willingness to negotiate, but deep-seated mistrust and divergent national interests pose significant hurdles. The world waits to see if diplomacy can prevail over discord. In a world increasingly defined by division, the Geneva summit offers a glimmer of hope. Whether this meeting leads to lasting peace or temporary reprieve depends on the choices made by leaders on both sides. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this developing story.